Give it to me like.
This is a catch can. This is a 5.0 Mustang. This is the very first mod for my car, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it.
Welcome back to Sparkplug TV, everyone.
Tools you will use for this install be a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm, and optional if you have a performance pack, a 15mm, a ratchet, and if you want to be fancy, an impact to get the nuts off easier. So depending if you have a performance pack 5.0, I'm not sure about the EcoBoost, but you'll have a strut bar. So I have a 15mm, I have an impact, you can use a ratchet. Walmart, what's it gonna give you?
Man, I thought they were supposed to be better than that.
Magically got ourselves a ratchet.
Whoa. Appeared out of nowhere.
So we're just gonna break these loose and then hit the impact with it.
Yeah, that will be a little faster on pulling the bolts out.
But
Oh, your strut brace is different than mine, Alex. My strut brace on the center bolts at 3 spots.
yeah. So we'll get these off and then that's taking the engine cover off. Alright, with all 4 bolts removed, be careful on the left, the passenger side. You have your battery cables there. So what you're gonna do, actually, is just leave it. And we are gonna take a flathead screwdriver. Remove the 2 caps on the top, exposing the 10mm.
Man, I can't even see it on camera, that hole's so deep.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. Our engine cover.
Well, it's not removed, it's just loose.
Yeah. Our engine cover can come out of our intake manifold loops, or whatever you want to call them, to and our engine cover is removed. Be careful with the 2 bolts left inside. We're going to leave them there for now. Here is the line we're going to be taking off. Looking at our catch can, we can see how these fittings actuate. So what we're going to do is do the same thing on the motor.
Wow.
That was really easy.
That was really easy.
But now you can also see how much oil
Oh, man.
is on
Dude, that
comes out of this.
thing is on your... That's going directly into your motor. All that oil on that little fitting right there is going directly into your motor.
So they also sell a driver side kit, which goes onto here and right here.
Which I would recommend getting.
Yes.
We're just broke. So we can only get one at a time.
So these lines are like steel reinforced, so no brackets.
Yeah, it's simple as... Let's do one at a time.
One,
Click.
2,
Catch can installed, and you don't even need a bracket. It'll just stay right there.
and then every oil change, you just reach up under here. You can do remove your oil. So, reasons why you may need to get this with this motor under hard acceleration and hard pulls and everything, obviously your intake is under a lot of vacuum. So for some reason, these lines are sucking from the under the valve cover, sucking in oil and into your intake. I've noticed that under very hard driving, after my car's idling, it'll drop idle and like kind of idle surge. My only guess is because oil is getting into the intake and messing with the air fuel ratio. So
Hopefully, that little part right there, get out of the sun, will help it.
All right.
Now, all he needs is the driver's side set.
which that'll be coming at another day.
Let's get this thing all back together.
Now, with less oil going into my motor. Thank you all for watching. Install not complete
Without the sticker.
without the sticker. Without ripping the sticker.
Good job, Alex.
Done.
Looking good.
Give it to me like